My name is Jacob, and this is the Altoids Arduino project. For this project, I decided to make an Altoids Arduino alarm clock. This was done by using my Arduino alarm clock from the last time and merging it with the Altoids tin. To do this, I inserted my Altoids alarm clock onto a tin-size permaproto board. I then inserted the permaproto board into an Altoids Arduino tin that was to be modified for my Altoids Arduino alarm clock. The first part of this all was creating the permaproto board. For my permaproto board, I soldered my chip seed into the middle of the board. This was done in order to make it easily accessible to the rest of my components on the board. I then placed a tactile button next to this chip seed, and then I inserted 1x8 female headers which were to house my prog breakout. From there, each pin on the female header represented something on the prog breakout, and each pin was soldered through a jumper wire to its respective pin on the chip seed or the ATP Mega 328P. I put the LCD display at the side of my board so that it poked out and so that the reader could see it if it was poking out. And I put a buzzer in the same place because the buzzer took up a lot of space on the board, so I wanted half of it to be sticking out so it didn't take too much space up on the board. The last part of my project was modifying the Altoids tin so that my permaproto board could fit in. The first part of doing this was cutting a hole in the bottom right corner of the tin so that the LCD display could fit in. Then I cut a hole in the top right corner of the bottom of the tin so that my buzzer could fit in. Then for my lid, I cut a hole in the middle where the power adapter could stick out. I cut corresponding holes in the top of the lid for the LCD display and for the buzzer. And I cut a place where the prog breakout could be inserted into the female headers.